Hello everyone and welcome to this review of our top 5 picks of the best AI meeting note takers. We're diving deep into the world of AI meeting note takers, bringing you our top 5 picks that are revolutionizing how teams manage their meetings. Forget frantic scribbling and missed action items. These tools are designed to keep you focused and ensure every valuable insight is captured. To go through, we'll be talking about the features, pricing, pros and cons for each, and at the end, you have solid reasons to get into one of these services. We have the links to all these services in the description below so you can get a head start at the end of this video. In no particular order, for the first, we have Fireflies AI. Fireflies is an AI-powered assistant designed to transcribe, summarize, and analyze your meetings. It seamlessly integrates with all major video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. The key features that make this tool stand out are its accurate transcription with speaker identification, the ability to generate a searchable knowledge base of all your conversations, and you have Ask Fred, an AI assistant that can answer questions about your meetings or generate content like follow-up emails. And now to the pricing. Firefly AI offers a tiered pricing structure with a plan for every need. You have the free plan, and this plan is available for free forever. It's a great starting point, allowing you to get a feel for the service with 800 minutes of meeting storage and limited transcription. The Pro plan is at $18 per month, and this is ideal for individuals and small teams. It includes unlimited transcription, 8,000 minutes of meeting storage, and AI summaries. It is a fantastic value for those with frequent meetings. Then you have the Business Plan, priced at $29 per month. This plan is popular with fast-growing teams. It includes everything in the Pro plan, plus unlimited storage and conversation intelligence features that provide deep insights into your meetings. Then you have the Enterprise Plan. This is for large organizations that require custom solutions and enterprise-grade security. As you can see, it's at $39 per month, and it comes with all the Business Plan features, plus advanced security features and private storage. This plan is great for individuals and small teams who want to get the most value for their money. And now to the pros and cons for Fireflies. On the bright side, it has a highly accurate transcription, often exceeding 90%. It has seamless integrations with major apps and CRMs. The AI-powered search makes it easy to find specific moments from past meetings. It also has advanced conversation intelligence and analytics. The Ask Fred AI assistant does save time by generating content and answering questions about your calls. On the downside, the speaker labeling can be inaccurate at times, especially in fast-paced meetings. Some users may find the user interface to have a steep learning curve, and the default setting to automatically join and share meeting notes can be seen as intrusive, but this can be changed. Our number 2 pick is Otter AI. Otter AI is a widely recognized AI meeting agent providing real-time transcription for Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. It allows for collaboration, note editing, highlighting, and commenting with transcripts. Otter's AI-powered summaries condense long conversations into key takeaways. Its mobile app enables transcription of in-person meetings. And now to the pricing. Otter AI has a basic plan which is free with a limit of 300 minutes per month and 30 minutes per conversation. The Pro plan is at $16.99 per user per month. This plan significantly increases your monthly transcription minutes to 1,200 and extends your conversation limits to 90 minutes. The business plan is at $30 per user per month. And now to the pros and cons. Otter AI, on the bright side, has a generous free plan for casual users. It has mobile apps for both iOS and Android. It provides powerful cross-meeting AI insights. It also can join meetings automatically even when you're absent. It also offers integrations with popular business tools like Slack and Salesforce. On the downside, transcription accuracy can be inconsistent with poor audio quality or accents. The Otter pilot bot can be seen as invasive by some meeting participants. The free plan's conversation length is limited to 30 minutes, and it has limited customization options for note templates. Our third pick is Granola. And starting with the features, Granola AI is an AI note-taking app that records meeting directly from your device and not as a bot joining the call. This makes the experience seamless and non-intrusive. It works with Mac OS, iOS, and Windows, and it integrates into major platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Slack. It also offers features like automatic summaries that distill key insights and action items from your meetings. It also has customizable templates for different types of calls, helping you structure your notes for specific purposes. Then it has an AI chat feature that allows you to ask questions about your notes and get quick answers. And now to the pricing. Granola AI has few plans to fit different needs. Now here's the breakdown of their current pricing. You have the free trial, of course, that gives you 25 free meetings. Then you have the individual plan at $18 per month. This plan is perfect for solo users. It includes unlimited meetings and all the core AI features. Then you have the business plan at $14 per user per month. It includes all the features in the individual plan, plus team folders for collaboration and consolidated billing. And now to the pros and cons. Starting with the pros on the bright side. It is seamless and non-intrusive. This is because it records from your device and no one else on the call knows you're using it. It has high-quality notes. The AI-generated summaries and structured notes are accurate and easy to read. And it also has great focus. It frees you up to fully participate in the conversation without the distraction of manual note-taking. And this is a great feature. On the downside, with the cons, there is no video or audio playback. Unlike some competitors, Granola AI does not record video or audio, so you cannot go back and listen to what was said. Also, it has limited search functionality. The search feature can sometimes be unreliable for finding specific details. And now our fourth pick is Fathom AI. Fathom AI offers a free, unlimited recording plan for individuals and integrates with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. Its standout features include one-click video recording and live transcription with timestamped highlights. Fathom provides accurate, editable transcripts with speaker identification and offers 14 different summary types to quickly digest meeting content. And now to the pricing. Fathom has a free plan, and this includes all core features like unlimited transcription and summaries, and this plan is very generous and is ideal for individual users who don't require team features. The premium plan is at $20 per user per month, and it has everything in the free plan with advanced call summaries, AI-generated action items, customizations to the bot, and other exciting features. The team edition is $18 per user per month. This plan is great for teams, and it does include CRM integrations, team folders, and a shared library of highlights. Then you have the business plan at $28 per user per month. It has everything in the team plan: CRM field syncing, coaching metrics, and AI scorecards for maximizing call efficacy. And now to Fathom on the bright side. It is excellent for generating shareable clips and highlights. It has robust CRM integrations for sales and marketing. It has a very generous free plan with unlimited transcriptions. A single-click highlighting during calls is a major time saver, and a strong focus on collaboration and team-based features. On the downside, with the cons, the team edition is more expensive than Granola's Pro plan. The user interface may feel more complex for new users. It does have a limited language support compared to some competitors, and it requires a bit of a learning curve to get the most out of the features. At number 5, we have TLDV. And starting with the features, TLDV is a versatile AI tool that integrates seamlessly with popular video conferencing platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, and MS Teams. Its core functionality revolves around providing an efficient way to record, transcribe, and summarize meetings. It can transcribe meetings in over 30 languages and even allows for AI-powered moment summaries, letting you quickly capture key points during a meeting. The tool offers a dedicated AI chat function that can provide further insight into your meetings, and it can generate AI reports that can be particularly useful for managers to get a bird's-eye view of multiple meetings. And now to the pricing. TLDV offers a variety of plans to suit different needs, with up-to-date pricing available on their website. You have the free plan, and this plan is a great starting point, allowing you to get a feel of the service without any costs. It includes unlimited meetings and viewers, transcription in over 30 languages, and up to 10 AI multiple meeting reports. Then you have the Pro plan at $29 per seat per month. This plan is perfect for professionals and growing teams. It gives you unlimited AI meeting notes, full access to AI chat function, and unlimited uploads for transcription. It's a significant upgrade that unlocks the full potential of TLDV's AI capabilities. Then you have the business plan for larger teams and businesses. The business plan is priced at $65 per seat per month, and it includes everything in the Pro plan, plus advanced features like multi-team management and AI coaching. You also have the Enterprise plan, and this is great for API access, dedicated support, enhanced security, and custom needs. It includes everything in the business plan along with privately hosted AI and advanced team and data management for admins. And here's to the pros and cons. TLDV on the bright side has unlimited meetings. Even the free plan offers unlimited meetings, which is a major advantage over many competitors. Extensive integrations. TLDV integrates with over 5,000 tools, allowing it to fit into virtually any existing workflow. Efficient AI. The tool excels at automatically creating summaries and reports, saving a lot of time on post-meeting work. And now to the downside of TLDV. Bot in meeting. The TLDV bot must physically join your meeting to record and transcribe, which can be visible to attendees. Pricing jump. While the free and pro plans are competitively priced, the jump to the business plan may be substantial for some teams. In conclusion, the best meeting AI note taker truly depends on your specific needs and workflow. For comprehensive features, extensive language support, and deep CRM integrations, Fireflies is a top contender, especially for sales-focused teams. If you prioritize real-time transcription, collaborative editing, and a mobile app for in-person meetings, Otter AI offers a solid and affordable solution. For those who value privacy, botless recording, and AI-enhanced notes with custom templates, Granola is an innovative choice. Fathom shines with its generous free plan for unlimited video call recordings and one-click highlights, making it perfect for individuals and small teams dipping their toes into AI note-taking. And finally, TLDV is ideal for remote and asynchronous teams who heavily rely on video sharing, time-stamped highlights, and advanced sales coaching tools. Don't forget to check out the links to all these services in the description so you can make your pick. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.